Welcome to my channel Technologist 24/7. In this video I'm going to show you that how to increase your system's performance. This method will work on Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. This method is 100% working and authentic. After doing these simple steps you will feel the difference. So guys, let's start. First of all, we are going to increase virtual memory, virtual RAM, and which is also known as page file. So guys, press Windows pass break button or click on my computer, this PC's properties. Then go to advanced system setting. Then go to advanced tab and then settings. Then again go to advanced. Then click on change. Uncheck the box automatically manage paging files. Okay. Then select your hard disk partition on which you want to make page file. Okay. Then select on the button custom size. Here I am giving initial value size. I'm giving my 4 GB value size, RAM size value. Okay, and here I'm giving 8 GB RAM size. Okay guys, then click on set button. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, okay. Restart later because we will restart our system after performing all these steps. So guys, now we are going to perform our second step in which we are going to delete Windows temp files. So guys, press Windows plus E button to open Windows Explorer. Okay, maximize this PC. See, you can see my system is getting laggy. Okay, now go to the folder Windows, then find temp folder, continue, Control A to select all files and folders, then delete. Yes, I'm gonna delete. Continue. Check the box, skip. Again check the box and skip. So guys, we have performed our second task. Now we are going to delete user temp files. Okay, press Windows plus R button, then type percentage temp percentage. Enter. Maximize. Press Ctrl A to select all files and folders, then press Shift delete. Yes, delete. Click on yes. Yes, continue. Do this for all current items. Skip. Again, skip. Yes, we have done. Okay. Now we'll perform our fourth step in which we are going to disk cleaning up. Okay guys, now we are going to perform our fourth task. Close, press Windows E or open your my computer or this PC. Right click on Windows C. Now click on disk cleanup. Look, click on the button, press the button disk cleanup. Okay, calculating and select folder as you want. I don't want to delete my download files or system files, so I'm going to press OK. Are you sure you want to delete these files? Yes, I want to delete these files. Done. Minimize. Okay, now we will perform our fifth task in which we are going to delete prefetch files. Okay, press Windows R button, then type prefetch. Continue, maximize, and press Ctrl A to select files and folders. Shift delete. Yes. Skip. Here we go. Files have been deleted. Okay, guys, now we are going to perform our sixth task, disable auto startup applications. Okay, press Ctrl Shift Escape button. Go to startup. Okay, now I'm going to disable C cleaner. Now I'm going to disable Wondershare. Or and we are now I'm going to disable ice cream, and so on you want. Okay, we have performed this task. Now we are going to perform disk defragment task. Okay, so guys, defragment. Okay guys, press Windows E button, then go to this PC, click on Windows C partition, properties, click on tools. Here you can see optimize and defragment drive. Optimizing your computer's drive can be help to it to run more efficiently. Click on optimize. Now I'm going to analyze C partition. Wait, it will take a long while. Guys, wait until it has been completed. Okay, I'm going to minimize it, and then I will perform our A task, which is delete software distribution. So guys, press Windows E button, then go to this PC or my computer, go to C partition, then go to Windows. Here find software distribution. Here it is. Control A. So guys, we are going to perform our eighth task, in which we are going to delete software distribution. Press Windows E button or go manually as you want. Then go to this PC or my computer, then go to C partition, then go to Windows, then find software distribution. Here it is. Press Ctrl A to select all files and folders, showing you properties of these folders. Okay, Shift delete. I'm going to delete. Yes. Skip. Nothing happened because I have deleted this file recently, so you can follow up to delete these files. It's taking a long time, so guys, do this activity in night time when you're free, when you're comfortable. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey guys, it's a request, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.